that guy is really selfish about his creative interests, which I do not want to share, because I just do it for, I mean, that makes me, I don't really care whether that goes to the public or not.
Strictly personal.
Because it may get published, it may not get published. I don't do research for that.
Yeah.
So that some people say that it's not a good idea because that will be a problem for you to get jobs.
Why is that? I mean,
Because now, maybe you can.
This is a related question I was going to ask.
Yeah.
But so if you don't get a revenue out of it, why
citations impact to the society,
and like it's not getting used, then why would anybody give you money, which is basically job, right?
Yes.
So one nature costs one nature is equivalent to $1 billion. There is something like that in the United States.
Yeah.
Something like that. One nature is equivalent to that much money because you bring that much money into
investment or
for research fund.
Research fund.
Yeah, I mean you publish a nature paper, you submit it, and then immediately NSF or ERC is going to give you tens of millions, and that's how it goes, right?
The related question was, okay, so in fundamental research, it's not necessary that you will get these results, not necessarily you'll get published, but still there is funding. For example,
of course there is less funding.
Less funding, but
because the sources are less.
But how about sun then in that case? What are you going to talk about sun then?
I'm saying.
There is huge funding.
But they're funding not. How many people they're funding the fundamental part of the work?
Yeah,
they're funding
sun is extremely fundamental, right?
No, but many of the scientists come there to apply their knowledge to get.
They are applying their knowledge to what?
Yeah.
Not to create any product.
There is a big question. There is a big fundamental question that science is.
It's not for
working
any.
on,
It's
right?
not. It's
but I'm saying the funding is going to fund how many fundamental researchers. Like how many researchers are engaged there who are working on the fundamental aspect of the subject?
I mean, the whole thing is aimed at the fundamental
level.
But to find that fundamental aspect, like for example, you need a optical setup to see something fundamental.
Right.
But for optical setups, you need a lens. So just because you make the lens, polish the lens, does not mean that the work is not fundamental.
It is very fundamental.
Making the lens is not fundamental.
I mean,
how is making the lens
but
fundamental?
that's not.
extremely fundamental.
Making the lens.
Yeah,
We need to design.
Already there are hundreds of lenses.
Not now. Huygens, think about Huygens.
Okay. We are talking about that part of the side.
And they came across this idea that if you can cover the edge of the lens, you can avoid all this astigmatism.
No, I got
that's a very fundamental.
Yeah, that's one fundamental thing.
Because
that is very fundamental.
Look at the sky object, and they could never get. It's always blurry.
Because the edge contributes a lot.
Exactly.
True. I mean that making the lens is very fundamental.
Even without this, without lens, making the lens not being fundamental, at this point, there are certain things can be done. In this process, making the lens for this process is fundamental, right? And at the end aim is this, right?
Right.
So in the mathematical theory,
exactly.
you might use tools which is not fundamental, but if you are looking for something which is fundamental, it's still a fundamental research, right? So that is still funded. Very much, and that get field medal, that get this thing. Does history has an influence on that? I mean, as in, there are many times there is fundamental research being done, and it's there, sitting there. After 100 years, some people start using it, and then huge applications come out of it. For example, all electromagnetism. The Maxwell's equations are there in the book for a long time, then applications come out of it. Does this repetition of history influence funding?
Funding for fundamental research is still there because of